This could be the car for you. The 2022 Nissan Rogue Sports. Start planning your family road trips in this comfortable, well-equipped Rogue. This clever crossover offers plenty of space and thoughtful creature comforts to keep your crew relaxed and eager for adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, dual zone AC, blind spot monitor, power driver seat, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, traction control. Get the comfort you want and the efficiency you need in this handsome Rogue. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.